Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how you can design a small login screen for mobile application using React Native Expo library. So we start this and first of all you see that we have a login here. So after that I need to create some text field also and button also. So for that what I do, I say here that text input and two text we want. So for that what I do, first of all I say style equal to styles dot input that we want to take. So I want to create a style also for this, because without that this text box would not be look like a text box. So I say const styles style sheet dot create, and I create object here, and here I say input. First of all I say this input, we have a border width, I say that is 2. I say border color, I say that is red. Save this. You see we have the one text field, one text box is there. Then I say the margin should be 5 pixel. Save this. And we say height of this is 40 pixel. Now I create one more text field, copy, paste. You see one more we have. I will design it properly, and one more thing I have to design now, heading. So I say this heading font size should be 30, font weight should be bold. Save this, and I need to set this style here. You see login, and I say, you see text alignment to the center. Now I want one container also. So I say container, and this container will work as a cover. So I say justify content to the center, and I will put this container here, styles dot container, and I say alignment of items to the center. So that is not okay. Alignment of content, and I say flex equal to 1. You see we have the content to the center of the screen. Now I can increase the width or height of the text field, yeah, like that. Now what I do, I say the text field, I say on change text, we should have the function here that will get the value. So I say set username, and here I say new name, or we can say new value. That value will go to this, like this. Now what I do, I say this also. So I copy and I paste here, and I say set password. For that I create a state variable also. I say const, I say username, set username equal to, we say use state, and here we say blank first of all. Then I create one more, I say password, set password, like this. Now I say here placeholder, that is username. Then here I say placeholder, I say password, like that way. So you see we have a username and password. And then I should give padding also. I should have a padding here, and I say padding is 5. Save this. So 5 is smaller than, we say 10. You see padding we have. I can give a size also. So I say font size to 25. You see we have a bigger size, so we can say 20. And I should give the color also. So I say placeholder text color equal to, I say green. Same I say here also, placeholder text color equal to green. Save this. You see now in a password I say secure text entry enable. That is because it should be the password. Whenever I try to enter, it should be asterisk like this. So secure entry text entry, and I say autocorrect equal to false. We want to write exact password. So this is screen, you see we have designing here in Expo. Now we need to add a button. For adding a button, what I do, I first of all I say here view. Under this view I just design first button, and I say title of this button, I say login, like this. One more button I want to add, and that would be for register. And I say color of this button should be red. Color of this button should be red, like this. And save this. You see we have two buttons here. Now I need to design some layout for button also. So what I do, I say button. Here I create an object for this. Here I say flex direction to be row, and I say the width of the button should be 100 pixel. So that width I have to remove because it would be, I say button container. So I put it here on the outer of the button. I say style equal to styles dot button container. You see now what I do, I just create some object for button also, for individual button. So I say margin should be 10 pixel, and I will give this margin to the individual button. So I say view here, and I just cut this, paste here, I copy this, paste here also, and here I say style equal to styles dot button. So button is styling, we are just copy there. I copy this all and I paste here also. Save this. We have a margin also in the button, and this margin 10 is so big, I can say it's a 5 pixel. Yeah, it is okay. Now I can give the width to buttons also. I say width should be of 100 pixel. Save this. You see now I need to put into the center. So I say justify content. Here I say center. Save this. You see we have in the center. Now I can increase the width of height of the button also. I say height of the button should be 40. So we can't increase the height. I try to give the height to 50. Not at all, because its button do not support this. And we have this login. We have a username, we have a password here. Now almost we have designed the layout of this. Now what we have to do, whenever I click on this login button, it should check the username and password. If username and password is okay, then it will go to the next screen. If I click on the register, it will open a register activity or a screen, and you register your username and password and you go to the welcome screen. If username password is not correct, then it will inform you that username password is not correct, register to this application. So like this kind of interface we want. For implementing this kind of interface, I need the navigation library, React navigation library, to perform this. So in this video I try to explain you that how you can design such kind of layout for login in React Expo. In next video I will explain you how to install React navigation library for going from login activity to welcome activity, or from register to other register activity. Means from this particular screen, if you want to move from one screen to another screen in React Expo, then we need to install a React navigation library. So that we are going to install in new video, in next video. And we will also see that how we can pass value from one screen to another screen also in the next videos. So I think in this video you understand how we can design a layout or a small app just like a login application in React Expo. In next video we will see how we can integrate this small app with React navigation, and in the future video we will also see some other use of React navigation library with this application. That's all for now. If you learn something from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.